The United States military is widely seen as the most powerful and technologically advanced armed force on the planet. This isn't just about sheer numbers of soldiers or tanks. It's about a combination of cutting-edge technology, global reach, and strategic thinking that puts it in a league of its own. The U.S. military operates across every domain of modern warfare on air, sea, cyber, and even space, maintaining a level of superiority that's incredibly difficult to challenge. To truly grasp this power, we need to dive into the incredible fusion of training, innovation, and seamless coordination that defines American military might. Let's start on the ground with the U.S. Army, the backbone of this formidable force. Soldiers are equipped with the latest gear, from advanced rifles and body armor to sophisticated communication systems that let them operate effectively in the harshest conditions imaginable. On the battlefield, tanks like the M1 Abrams are legendary, dominating with their thick armor, surprising mobility, and devastating firepower. But it's not just about heavy metal. Infantry units have a huge tactical advantage thanks to precision-guided weapons and advanced sensors, allowing them to neutralize threats with pinpoint accuracy. Beyond the individual soldier and vehicle, the Army's logistical network is marvel. It allows for the rapid deployment of troops and equipment to virtually any corner of the globe, making it a truly global land force. Now, let's look up to the skies, where the U.S. Air Force maintains total air supremacy. This is the realm of fifth-generation fighter jets like the F-22 and the F-35 Lightning II. These jets are more than just fast. They combine stealth technology, incredible speed, and advanced avionics. This lets them penetrate heavily defended airspace and strike targets with surgical precision, often without the enemy even knowing they were so. For long-range missions, strategic bombers like the iconic B-52 Stratofortress and the stealthy B-2 Spirit can deliver decisive strikes across entire continents, projecting power over vast distances. And we can't forget about drones. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, play a crucial role in modern warfare. They conduct surveillance for hours on end and carry out precision attacks without maneuvering a bullet in harmless way. This complete control of the air ensures that all other American forces on the ground and at sea can operate effectively, with a protective umbrella overhead. Out on the open water, the U.S. Navy ensures dominance over the world's oceans. The most visible symbols of this power are the massive aircraft carriers. These are essentially floating air bases, capable of launching dozens of fighter jets, helicopters, and support aircraft at a moment's notice. They can project air power anywhere in the world. But the Carrier Strike Group is much more than just a carrier. It's protected by a layered network of guided missile destroyers and cruisers. These ships provide both offensive firepower and a defensive shield against air, surface, and subsurface threats. Speaking of subsurface, the Navy's fleet of nuclear-powered submarines adds a stealthy and incredibly strategic dimension. Some, like the Ohio class, carry ballistic missiles, forming a key part of America's nuclear deterrent. With advanced radar, sonar, and missile defense systems, the Navy can project power across the planet while securing critical sea lanes that are vital for global trade. Then there's the Marine Corps, America's rapid response force. They specialize in amphibious assaults, expeditionary warfare, and high-intensity combat. Marines are famously trained to operate in any climate and place, from scorching deserts and freezing mountains to dense urban battlefields. They are equipped with their own amphibious vehicles, helicopters, and precision weapons, allowing them to seize critical objectives quickly and hold them until larger forces can arrive. This flexibility and self-sufficiency make the Marines an essential tool in America's global military playbook, ready to deploy at a moment's notice to hotspots around the world. Of course, modern warfare is driven by technology, and this is where the U.S. military truly excels. It's not just about the hardware, it's about the information and digital battlefield. Cyber warfare units work around the clock to protect America, its critical infrastructure, while having the capability to disrupt enemy command and control systems. High above, a constellation of satellites provides real-time intelligence, secure communications for troops on the ground, and the precise GPS guidance needed for smart bombs and missiles. The creation of the U.S. Space Force highlights just how critical this domain has become. Its job is to secure American assets in orbit, ensuring that these vital satellites remain operational for navigation, surveillance, and defense. On top of all this, artificial intelligence and autonomous systems are being integrated more and more into operations. These technologies help analyze vast amounts of data, speed up decision-making, and minimize risks to human personnel. Finally, we have the ultimate guarantee of security, the strategic nuclear deterrent. This is based on a triad of delivery systems: land-based intercontinental ballistic missiles, submarine-launched ballistic missiles, and strategic bombers. This three-pronged approach ensures that a devastating retaliatory strike is always possible, which serves as a powerful message to any potential adversary considering an attack. This deterrent, combined with constant innovation and a highly coordinated force across all branches, is what keeps the U.S. military unmatched in its capability and readiness. In conclusion, the United States military is far more than just a collection of soldiers and equipment. It's a complex, integrated system representing the pinnacle of technological advancement, strategic planning, and global dominance. From the infantry soldier on the ground to the fighter pilot in the sky, the sailor on a destroyer, and the guardian monitoring satellites in space, every single element works together in near-perfect coordination. Its global reach, precision firepower, and relentless drive for innovation make it a force capable of responding anywhere, anytime. Understanding the full scope of American military power reveals not only its immense strength but also the incredible dedication, strategy, and technology that make it the most formidable military in the world today. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown interesting, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of military technology and strategy. We'll see you in the next one.